Hello, this is Laurent Massey in CIT 110, and this is Finch Control, and I chose this week to develop a login and registration. So in the main, I replaced the main menu for the Finch Control with a display user login, and then I called the Finch Control main menu later on in this set of programming or set of code. So here I set the theme. Um, Display user login. Let's go through this. Excuse me. Display the screen header of main login menu, and I'm running through this for a menu to either register a new user, a login user, or quit. And just kind of like what we've done before, pretty much. Okay, so here we're register the new user. I'm calling the get new user credentials method to get the username and password, and adding the user to the clients list, and calling the method write to file to write the updated client list. And here I've got the tuple and getting the credentials for a new user, and then here adding the new user to the client's list, the username and the user password that were entered. Okay, here's the get new user credentials, which was called up above. And again, we've got the password length, setting that as an integer, or the variable password length integer, setting that at 8. Again, the tuple for credentials, and prompting for username, calling the get username method, and then placing it in credentials. Ran it for each, and then splitting the client info, separating by a character, and if the username that was entered matches a current client info username in an array spot 1 or 0, excuse me, then it will prompt the user that the name already exists. Press any key to go back, and if it does not match, then it will ask for a password and then call the get password method. Here, the get password method verifying the length of the password is at least 8 characters. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty straightforward here. Get username, verifying that it's entered. Here's the login. So once that's all entered, or once they have registered, they should be able to log in. And again, the credentials tuple using a for each, and kind of the same thing, making sure that both the username and password match what's in the text file or in the let's see. Yeah, login successful. If not, invalid entry. Please try again. Now here we're getting another method, get user credentials. Here we're gonna read client list. So read and write the file to the list. Or yeah, so the try catch, write the list of clients to the file, another try catch, file path, and that's the end of the user login. Let me run it. Now I entered a couple already, so let's do, I'm going to first try register as a new user, and I'm going to put in a name that already exists. So username already exists, so that prompted to try again. So let's register a new user. Let's see. Enter username. We'll go Massey L. Enter password. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 characters long. Press any key to continue. So it took it. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in with it. Massey L. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Login successful. Press any key to continue. It should take us to the Finch control menu, and it does. Connect to Finch robot, and so on. There you have it. Thank you.